about putting tea bags? Yes, tea bags in your toilet tank or in your toilet. If you love all natural cleaning, then this video is absolutely for you. And I'll tell you why this works so well here in just a second. All natural. This is also a great way to use up those expired tea bags that you have laying around. Thumbs up if you can relate to that. Toilet tanks. Why in the heck would anyone want to clean their toilet tank? Let me know in the comments box below if cleaning your toilet tank is a new idea for you. I was in that same boat with you not too long ago. But here's why you want to clean your toilet tank, because what's happening up in here impacts what's happening down in here. And let me show you something else. Real nasty. If you've ever watched any of my other cleaning videos, you see those little holes in there? Yep, those can get clogged, especially if your toilet tank is dirty and nasty. You may have seen those drop-in tabs that you can put right here in your toilet tank. My friend, plumbers strongly disagree with you putting those in there, and they don't totally dissolve, which is a pain in the butt. And then your water turns blue, so you think your toilet's clean, but it's really not clean. It's just being hidden from the blue hue that's in the water. Or maybe you want to put vinegar in the back of your toilet tank. I have a video on that, but many people will disagree because they're afraid that it's going to break down and eat away at the seals in the back of the toilet tank right here. It can, however, it depends upon how long you leave it in there and the concentration level of the vinegar. I tend to use 3 tea bags when I do this, and I like to do this quarterly. Okay, can I just say that smells subtly amazing right now? And I just tape them on the back of the toilet tank so that they are hidden right here. And yes, this works if the water is cold. If you can eat this stuff, it's okay for your toilet tank for a brief period of time. And what do I mean by brief? I would say about 24 to 48 hours. Let's give it a good flush. And you can see the water fills right back up after each flush. And when you're done with these, just go ahead and take these off the back of your toilet tank and discard of them. So if you're not into bleach and you still want some of those antibacterial properties, give these tea bags a shot. And you can see right here all these natural nice ingredients: peppermint leaves, ascorbic acid, and citric acid. You may have watched some of my other cleaning videos where I've used citric acid. Now, because you're using it in tea form, it's less concentrated, therefore less potential harmful effects on your toilet if you have any sort of apprehensions. Click this video on screen now if you want to learn how to use tea bags when it comes to your windows and mirrors. Thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.